हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ BE 181 दिसंबर 2024 का क्वेश्चन पेपर और इसका सॉल्यूशन। तो ये 2 आवर्स का पेपर है, 50 मार्क्स का पेपर है। ये एबिलिटी एनहांसमेंट कंपल्सरी कोर्स ऑन एनवायरमेंटल स्टडीज का क्वेश्चन पेपर है। ये मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन पेपर है, इसलिए ये OMR शीट पर फिल किया जाता है और इसके सारे क्वेश्चंस कंपलसरी होते हैं, कोई नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं होती। बट मेक श्योर कि आप इसको सही से वन टाइम में पास कीजिए, क्योंकि इसके लिए कोई भी रिवैल्यूएशन नहीं फिल होती है। और ये कंप्यूटर से चेक होता है क्योंकि। तो आइए इसका क्वेश्चन पेपर को सॉल्व करते हैं। सो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट वन ऑफ द 17 सस्टेनेबल गोल्स। सो बेसिकली जेंडर इक्विटी इज समथिंग जो आंसर नहीं है, क्योंकि लाइफ ऑन लैंड, क्लीन वाटर एंड सैनिटेशन एंड डिसेंट वर्क एंड इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ, ये सारे जो हैं 17 सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स का पार्ट है। बट जेंडर इक्विटी की जगह वहाँ जेंडर इक्वालिटी है। आगे है विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ ह्यूमन मॉडिफाइड एनवायरनमेंट। तो इसमें से कौन सा ह्यूमन मॉडिफाइड एनवायरनमेंट है? वो है ऑर्किड्स। हु सेड दैट द टर्म सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट इज एन ऑक्सीमोरन? तो इसका आंसर है हार्मन डेली। उसके बाद है विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज बायोटिक कंपोनेंट। तो इसका आंसर है सेप्रोट्रॉप्स। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट? सो बेसिकली इसका आंसर है इकोसिस्टम रिप्रेजेंट एनॉर्मस कंट्रास्ट इन साइज एंड कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी। ठीक है, सिमिलरली मैं यहाँ पे भी सारे आंसर्स मार्क कर देती हूँ। फर्स्ट का है डी, यहाँ पे है ऑर्किड्स, हार्मन डेली, this one. Let's go for sixth question. Which one of the following is a top carnivore? So basically, vulture. The main reservoir of the sulfur in the biosphere is the atmosphere. Hemlock and maples are found in temperate evergreen forest. On which animal calots and uromastics are predatory in the Thar desert? इसका आंसर है डेजर्ट लोकस्ट। इसके बाद है ऑर्गेनिजम्स which remain attached to stems and roots of the rooted plants, that is पेरिफाइटन। उसके बाद है the example of lotic freshwater ecosystem is, इसका आंसर है रिवर। सिमिलरली हम नीचे भी मार्क कर देते हैं। बेसिकली vulture, atmosphere, this one temperate evergreen forest, 9th का is this, 10th का is this, 11th का is this. 10th 12th question is which of the following is non-renewable resource? That is mineral deposits. The soil having low organic matter and having low fertility is desert soil. The average salinity of water is 3.5%. Ravine land is formed due to soil erosion. Which of the following regions cover more than 50% plant species in the world? Temperate or tropical rainforest. In which of the following activity forest does not play a significant role? Obviously that is regeneration of carbon dioxide, because it focuses on regeneration of oxygen. So you have to make sure कि इसके जो भी आंसर्स हैं आप ध्यान रखें। Then again I am marking here. Okay. Then 18th, India needs 33% of its area under forest to meet the ecological and economic need. Which one of the following methods of ex situ conservation provides genetic insurance? That is seed bank. Invasive species which cause skin allergies is Congress weed. This question is very common. ये mostly हर बार आता ही है. Which one of the following was the first biosphere reserve in India? That is Nilgiri. Which one of the following is not considered as a fragile habitat? That is fragile habitat, that is deciduous forest. उसके बाद है which one of the following is a biodegradable pollutant, that is paper. Similarly हम यहाँ पे भी मार्क कर देते हैं. Then we have which one of the following is predominantly indoor pollutant, that is formaldehyde. Which one of the following is photochemical oxidant, that is ozone. Sludge gas largely consists of methane. This is also a very common question जो हमेशा आता ही है. Hotspots are region of high endemism. Which one of the following is not correct about India as a mega biodiversity country? That is, India has 12 biogeographic regions. That is, India has, इसका आंसर ये गलत है क्योंकि India has 10 biogeographic regions. So let's mark this. Next is, which of the following is a non-use value of biodiversity? That is bequest value. Which one of the following has a maximum genetic diversity in India? That is mango. उसके बाद है a biomass gasifier converts solid fuel to gaseous fuel. From which of the following types of sources energy can be harnessed using photovoltaic cells? That is sun. उसके बाद है which of the following regions in India is the highest producer of oil? That is Bombay High. Which one of the following is not a waste minimization method? That is landfill. Next is which of the following is not a chemical treatment of waste? So waste यहाँ पे conditioning है because neutralization, heavy metal precipitation and oxidation are the methods used for chemical treatment of waste. Which one of the following methods is mostly used for disposal of nuclear waste? That is underground disposal. Which one of the following statements related to waste management is true? So basically, hospital waste has to be incinerated. This is a statement which is true. Which one of the following is related to climate change? Kyoto Protocol is something. So ये question protocols पे हमेशा आता ही है. Let me mark it. Kyoto Protocol. The ozone layer is present in which of the following range of the atmosphere? This is 15 to 50 kilometer. Which one of the following can cause skin cancer and cataract in humans? I think this is one of the basic questions that says ultraviolet radiation. Let's mark these. Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act was enacted in the year 1987. The principal bench of National Green Tribunal is situated at New Delhi. The provision for environmental protection in our constitution was made in the year 1976. The study of origin of disease is termed as etiology. Which of the following is not located in Taj trapezium? That is sugar mills of Saharanpur. Let's mark them again. Next we have 46. Flooding in two countries, namely dash and dash, result in 2/3 of the global death count. That is India and Bangladesh. Silent Valley is the narrow valley of the dash river, that is Kanthi river? Which one of the following community does not have a strong sense of stewardship, that is urban community? Next is holding meeting in remote areas is a procedural inequity. And then the main center of environmental information system, that is NBS, is located at New Delhi. Let's mark them here. C, D, ओके। तो ये तो आपका BE 181 का दिसंबर 2024 की आंसर की। अगर आपको कोई भी हेल्प चाहिए तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन कर सकते हैं। वीडियो पसंद आई तो प्लीज लाइक कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।